Hello, I'm Liviu Bălan, and today I will show you how to move the htaccess rules to a virtual host conf file for a WordPress CMS. So let's get started. First, as you can see here, I'm on the wp.liviubălan.com, which is the root directory of my wp.liviubălan.com Apache virtual host. First thing that I will do is to type ls-al. As you can see here, I have an htaccess, a .htaccess file which were dynamically generated by WordPress. If you want to convince yourself about how the htaccess works for the wp.liviubălan.com, first thing that I will do is to open a web browser, and here I will open wp.liviubălan.com. Also, if I click on the recent post and open it in a new tab, you will see the /hello-world slug, which generate the hello world default WordPress post. Now, the next thing that I will do is to rename the htaccess file to htaccess-back. So I will use the mv command .htaccess space .htaccess-back. Hit the enter key, and now I will use the content inside of htaccess.back using the cut command. Hit the enter key, and as you can see, this is the content of the htaccess file, which were dynamically generated by WordPress. Now, if I refresh the content here, I will get a not found error because the htaccess doesn't exist. The next thing that I will do is to move the content listed here into the actual Apache virtual host conf file. In order to do this, I will switch to another tab where I'm connected with another user with sudo rights, and here I will edit the wp.liviubălan.conf Apache virtual host conf file. Hit the enter key, enter the sudo password, and now I will go to the bottom of the config file, and here at the end of the directory directive, I will copy and paste the content of the previous generated htaccess file. Okay, all I have to do now is to write and quit and restart the Apache web server. Now, if I go to the previous URL and hit the refresh button, and also here, you will see that now the content is loaded. Another tweak that I can do is to edit the wp.liviubălan.com.conf, and because I know that the mod rewrite is activated, I can comment it. Write and quit, restart the Apache server again, and refresh both of the URLs. And as you can see, the content were generated. You may ask yourself why you want to move the rules from the htaccess to the virtual host conf file. This is because the htaccess is parsed on every request. In order to have better performances, you will move the logic from the htaccess file to the actual virtual host conf file. Remember that htaccess is most of the time used on the shared hosting when you have limited access, and also when you use the htaccess files, you don't require Apache to be restarted after configuration changes. So it depends on what you want, what do you want to achieve. If you don't want to restart the Apache web server and you want to set access to a specific directory to your users, you can use the htaccess files. If you want to increase the performance of your Apache web server, I recommend you to always move the logic to the virtual host conf file and do not use htaccess files. So this is how you move the htaccess rules to a virtual host conf file in the WordPress CMS. If you want to learn more about WordPress, about Apache, about Ubuntu server, about web technologies, you can check out my tutorials on YouTube and also visit my website livybalan.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.